Welcome fellow travelers. Today on Exit Through the Gift Shop we are getting cheesy at the Tillamook Cheese Factory. We're going to start our self-guided tour by following the hoof prints. Let's test our cow IQ. This is a Ayrshire. Got me. Here is a Jersey cow. I can pronounce that one. Here is a Dutch belted. And here's a Holstein. Time to milk a cow. This is a motorized cow brush to help massage the cows. You can also view the entire factory tour right from the milk arriving to when the cheese returns. This Cheddar Master machine helps separate the curds and whey and automates the cheddaring process. The cheese is compressed and vacuum sealed into these 40-pound blocks before being cut to size and then checked for weight. On to packaging, where the blue octopus helps seal up to 120 packages of cheese per minute. The cheese also goes through a metal detector to make sure that it hasn't tried to sneak any contraband goods out of the factory. And a final quality checkpoint before the packaged cheese is on its way. I feel very reassured knowing that it's gone through a metal detector. And the highlight of the self-guided tour is, of course, the cheese tasting. Today we have garlic chili, sharp cheddar, medium cheddar, Monterey Jack, and white cheddar cheese curds. So spicy chili cheese was good, but I think my favorite is still the white cheddar cheese curds, or squeaky cheese. Something about the texture is delicious if you get the chance to try them. Or squeaky cheese, they have a slightly different texture, and I love how they are a bit more chewier than regular cheese slices. And you can find all your Tillamook and cheese-related products in the gift shop. In the gift shop, we have a variety of cheesy merchandise, including this Tillamook shirt. And of course, we always need more cowbell. This one's perfect for someone who's lactose tolerant. This is good advice. Keep calm and eat cheese. If you're getting stressed out, you can always squeeze the cheese. This ship is a replica of one that was built by the Tillamook settlers, originally used to transport their dairy goods to market. This new larger visitor center opened up in 2018 to keep up with demand. The center expects to receive over 1.5 million visitors each year, or probably 10,000 to 15,000 visitors every day. Check out our interactive map so you can see all the other attractions that we've been to, and hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all our latest adventures. Until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop.